Greetings, my name is Noraj Analaki Rajaranam, and today I'm here to show you a demo about my final year examination for my visual programming course. And this course, I have been assigned to create a currency conversion application that converts the selected currency to another currency with a function that allows it to compute some interest rates, as well as a function that has a saving mechanic that saves the transaction of the following transaction that is being computed on the form. And here I will show you a brief demo. And for example, for this demo, I'll be using Malaysian ringgit. As you can see here, it will be a drop box that will show all the currency that is being stated as the question state, all this currency. And from here, we put the currency that you wish to change to or convert to. And for this example, I'll be using British pound sterling. And here is the conversion. So I'm changing 100 ringgit to pound sterling, and the conversion will be 18 pounds sterling. So for the next step of this system will be to actually save the transaction history for later. And to do this, you need to edit your or input the customer's details by like his name. I'll give you an example. I'll be using John, and his ID will be as followed. And to save the transaction, just press save. And here we can see there will be a message box that will be popped out showing that the information of the transaction has been successfully saved. Okay, moving forward, the next thing I will show you is the inventory. So here I'm using a menu strip, and I have it on inventory, then tree, and money. Okay. So in this form, you can see that this form actually is the inventory for the money, and it will add the stocks of money or update the stocks of money. So by doing that, you can add like a currency into your stock. For example, you want to add USD, and you want how much USD that you have in stock. So example, I have 20,000. So there are two options for this. Is either to add or update. So you can update it first, add it first into the stocks. Okay. And to see the change made, you can view from the SQL actually. Okay, so here's the USD that's been added for 20,000. Okay, so before this, actually, we did another data change, which is the add a transactional details. I'm going to show you that as well. So where is it? So I can see the table here shows John is number 14 in the transaction for today. Here we have the customer name, which is John, his ID, the original currency that he has change or sell, and here is the amount that he changed from, and this is what he changed it to. So he changed it to pound sterling, and the total amount being changed is 18 pounds sterling. And here is the transactional date time. So it will record the time of the transaction that goes through on that day. So it has been gone through on 10 of March today at 4:43. Okay, so you can see the database is working. And next one, we will move to the update function. So for another one is same. So example that we have a USD to update. So just press the which currency that you want to change and edit input your new amount. So 10,000. So just press update and the data has successfully been updated. So the change you can see in the SQL as well. Okay, so the remaining is still is 10,000 from 20,000 to 10,000. So so the system now is working and it has followed all the requirements stated in the question. So thank you for listening for my explanation. Right, that'll be all for my demonstration. Thank you.